Cardiac issues are now not a rare thing. Several people around the globe are struggling with them. It's obvious that they are the leading cause of death worldwide, as more than 500 million people are affected with some sort of cardiac disease. You might have seen people with a sudden cardiac arrest around you in the office, a public gathering, college, metro, or home. Heart disease record 20.5 million deaths globally. I know this is shocking, but it is evident. But don't worry, any disease can be managed easily with a natural and holistic care. Hello, and a very warm good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Amisha. I cordially welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel, where you can explore so much information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise, and disease treatment with natural and holistic medicines. Alright, so let's first understand what your heart actually does. Your heart is a muscular organ, roughly the size of a fist, located in the center of the chest that works as a pump to circulate blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to all parts of the body while removing waste products like carbon dioxide through the circulatory system. Okay, so now let us discuss what cardiac issues are. Cardiac issues are not a single disease. They are a group of various conditions that affect the heart. The most common type is coronary artery disease, CAD, which happens when the blood vessels supplying your heart gets narrowed or blocked due to plaque buildup. This can further lead to heart attacks and strokes. Now, let us come to other heart diseases which are actually a leading hazard worldwide, as heart disease sometimes could be a silent killer if we overlook its early symptoms. Other types of heart disease include peripheral arterial disease. It develops when plaque forms in the arteries that supply blood to the arms and legs. Symptoms include pain in the legs that worsens when walking. Coronary artery disease. It develops when plaque forms in the arteries that supply blood to the heart muscle. It causes arteries to get narrowed and hence disrupts the blood flow. Congenital heart disease. It occurs during the birth of a child. It affects the heart structure and functions. Its common symptoms are blue or grey skin, swelling in the legs, abdomen or around the eyes, and breathing difficulty. Heart valve disease. In this disease, your heart valves don't open or close properly, which can alter the blood flow in the wrong direction. Its symptoms include fatigue, shortness of breath, palpitations, and chest pain. Arrhythmia. Arrhythmia is an irregular heartbeat. It is actually a problem with the rhythm of your heart. Your heart can beat too quickly or too slowly or with an irregular rhythm. Aortic disease. This disease occurs due to problem within the aorta, the main artery that carries blood from the heart. It includes aortic aneurysm, bulges in the aorta, and aortic dissection, a tear in the aorta wall. Heart failure. It is a condition when your heart is unable to pump enough blood efficiently to fulfill the body's requirement. Alright, I have shared very crucial information on several types of cardiac diseases. I hope you understand each and every disease that I have explained to you. Now I move on to some important changes you can make in your life to ensure a healthy heart and overall health. Okay, let's explore how you can lead a healthy life with a healthy heart. Avoid eating ultra-processed and packaged food items. Instead, you can consume a salad containing cucumber, beetroot and carrot. It will provide you a ton of antioxidants and vitamins. Keep yourself hydrated. Drink enough water to ensure better fluid balance in the body. It will also help in better blood circulation. Do light exercises regularly, or you can walk for 30 minutes daily. It will keep you energetic throughout the day. You can perform breathing exercises like alternate nostril breathing. It will slow down stress hormones and keep your heart healthy. Avoid more sugary and salty foods. Instead, you consume berries, apples, papaya, pomegranate, and oranges. Well, I have told you the types of heart diseases and what proactive steps you can take to lead a healthy life. See, cardiac issues are complicated and modern medicines have no cure for them. They treat the disease with some heavy medicine and surgeries. However, all these causes severe side effects in the long run of treatment. I know you are worried, and it's obvious to get worried if someone has any severe cardiac disorder, but now you need not worry. Your cardiac issues can be treated well with natural and holistic medicine. Yes, you heard it right. Bharat Homeopathy medicine is safe, effective, and brings result in the shortest possible time without causing any side effects. It targets the root cause of the disease and treats it from within. Bharat Homeopathy has treated thousands of cardiac patients worldwide, and we are continuously working in the same line to bring holistic relief. We are a team of experienced doctors who prescribe a personalized and customized treatment after a proper case taking. Cardiac issues are now easy to treat. Just embrace Bharat Homeopathy medicines and notice a major improvement in your condition. Well, if you found my video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for health related information. Thanks. Have a nice day.